Look at Toji, and now look at this guy right here. They both look the same, right? The thing is, one's an anime character, and the other actually built that body at home. So today, I'll show you how you can do the same. No gym and no equipment. Now some people might ask, well, why not just go to the gym, right? The thing is, everyone has different goals. The gym is great if you want to flex a specific muscle and look big, but now there's also calisthenics. It builds real and functional strength, coordination, and aesthetics that actually look good and give you that anime look. Plus, the gym costs money. Calisthenics is free. You don't need a membership, you don't need to bulk or cut like crazy, which means no stress with food and no overbulking that can make you fat, so it's accessible for every single one of you guys. This video is for beginners. You don't need to know how to do a planche or a handstand yet. To get a body like Toji or Goku, all you need are some simple exercises. Very important, watch until the end, because there is a very important step that makes most people fail if ignored. Upper body. Our base exercise for shaping the upper body is push-ups. They hit your chest, triceps, shoulders, traps, lats, and even your core. Literally one of the best full upper body exercises. If you can't do one full push-up yet, start with knee push-ups. Hit at least 10 clean reps. Once you can do that, move on to regular push-ups. If your max is under 10 reps, you're still building strength. At around 12 to 20 reps, you're in the strength plus endurance zone, perfect for defining your muscle. At this point, start doing variations to further progress. Do archer push-ups, so you additionally grow your biceps a bit. Pseudo planche push-ups strengthen your shoulders and lats and are also a progression for the planche. Explosive push-ups boost power and increase your muscle growth massively. The target is 3 sets of 10 reps for every variation. Abs. For that anime look, abs only emphasize your physique. They're not the main focus, so we don't have to overdo it here. Start with planks, 4 sets of 45 to 60 seconds, then progress to dragon flags. They're amazing for core strength and future skills. Add hanging leg raises or lying leg raises if you want visible lines. The vtaper. Now for that aesthetic vtaper you'd like to have, it's shaped through big shoulders and wide lats. For lats, start with negative pull-ups or Australian rows under a table. If you can do pull-ups, go for wide grip to maximize width. For shoulders, do pike push-ups. If that's too hard, start with decline push-ups and slowly increase the angle. Combine that with your regular push-ups and your frame will start transforming. By the way, let me know if you want a part 2 of this video, where I explain how to progress to more advanced calisthenics exercises like the planche, L-sit, handstand push-up, or front lever. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Super compensation. Now, please don't skip this part because everything you just learned is useless if you ignore this. Here's how your muscles actually grow. When you train, you tear muscle fibers. When you rest, your body repairs them, stronger than before. That phase is called supercompensation, your growth window. So if you train the same muscle every day, or train too late, you're literally weakening your body and destroying your progress. Here's how you train correctly. On day 1, train upper body. Day 2, abs and core. Day 3, upper body again. This is your supercompensation day, where you have the most power and can increase your strength by a small percentage. On day 4, train abs again. Optionally, you can train upper body again on day 5 if you don't feel tired. Then rest and repeat next week. This gives your muscles time to rebuild while keeping your routine consistent, and the training only takes 10 to 20 minutes a day to complete. Diet. Just keep it balanced. The cool thing is, you don't need a strict bulk or cut. Eat in moderation and you'll stay lean. Sleep well and drink water. That's enough at this stage. Now you literally have everything to start tomorrow. No excuses. Let me know in the comments if you're starting your anime training arc today. Subscribe.